everyone, I'm CHW4. Today I'm going to explain probability week 4, homework 4, question 2. Question 2 is asking us the random variable x is uniform in the interval -1 to 1. And we want to find the function g of x such that if y equals to g of x, then PDF of y equals to exponential power of negative y and times unit state function of y. So, as the question said, x is a uniform function at interval -1 and 1. And we want to find a gx that so our PDF of y is equals to exponential power of negative y times unit state function of y. So our step 1 is to calculate CDF of y. So the CDF of y is equals to integral minus infinities to y and exponential power negative alpha unit state function of alpha and the alpha. So which since this is a unit state function, we can rewrite this function to 0 y exponential power of minus alpha the alpha, and which this is equals to 1 minus which this is equal to negative exponential power of negative alpha y and 0. So the answer of our CDF of y is 1 minus exponential power negative y. So we want then CDF of x equals to CDF of y. Since it is a unit state function, so we can write like this. The CDF of unit state function x is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2 and equals to this x minus negative 1 and equals to 1 minus exponential power negative y, and which is equals to x minus 1 divided by 2 negative exponential power negative y, and which is equals to 1 minus x divided by 2 and equals to exponential power of negative y, and this is equals to ln 1 minus x divided by 2 negative y. So we can get our y is equals to minus ln 1 minus x divided by 2. So we can draw the figure of gx, which is 0 when x is smaller than -1 and goes exponentially up, and at 1 it will go to infinity. And that's all. Thank you.